Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you how you can make sure that you have sufficiently decompressed the neuroforamen in an ACDF. Normally it's quite a problem to particularly make sure that the ipsilateral neuroforamen is opened up enough, and you tend to always go more contralaterally because that's your angle of approach. So if you look into the disc space and you open up the disc space, you will see that the uncus is actually obstructing the view into or towards the neuroforamen, particularly on the ipsilateral side. If I now look at this angle, you will see coming from the front, you have your uncus obstructing your view into the neuroforamen. So you remove part of that uncus, mostly with a high-speed drill, and then you can take a nerve hook and palpate the medial wall of the pedicle. And by palpating this, you know exactly where the neuroforamen starts. You can even go into the neuroforamen. Again, contralaterally, this is usually quite easy to palpate this. Ipsilaterally, it can be a challenge, and you want to make sure that you reach this pedicle at least by palpation, or even go into the neuroforamen if you need to decompress the neuroforamen here. And the nerve hook, identifying the medial wall of the pedicle, is the crucial step in making sure that you have achieved sufficient decompression.